सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर एक भरोसेमंद गारंटीड होम ट्यूशन है और ये होम ट्यूशन के अलावा ऑनलाइन टीचिंग का भी एक प्लेटफॉर्म तैयार कर चुकी है। तो ऑनलाइन ट्यूशन और स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एक होम ट्यूटरिंग ये ये जो सारे फैक्टर्स है इसमें अवेलेबल है। तो इस सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर को आप ज्वाइन करें और अपना जो फ्यूचर है वो ब्राइट करें। तो इसी तरह हम इस सक्सेस एजुटेक और होम ट्यूटर इनको अपनाए, यही विनती आप सबके लिए।
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Success EDUTECH. I am Prashant Jadhav. Today we are watching the most important GK questions in this session. Listen carefully and pay attention. I am starting my session. First question: which Indian company has partnered with Karnataka government to modernize 150 state-run ITIs with an outlay of price 4,600 crore? First option Infosys, A. Infosys, B. Tata Technologies, C. Mahindra and Mahindra, and D. Ashok Leyland. Correct answer is Tata Technologies, option B. Which metro rail corporation is to lay the country's first vibration absorbing tracks? Option A Delhi Metro, option B Mumbai Metro, option C Chennai Metro, and option D Kochi Metro. The right answer is B Mumbai Metro. Question number 3. Vijayanagara has been created as the 31st district of which Indian state? Option A Andhra Pradesh, option B Karnataka, option C Kerala, and option D Telangana. Right option is here. Option B Karnataka. Union Cabinet has approved submarine optical fiber cable connectivity between Lakshadweep Islands and which city? Option E Delhi, option B Chennai, option C Kochi, and option D Mumbai. The correct option is C Kochi. This is the right option. Question number 5. The draft Indian Force Bill 2020, which has been circulated, seek to repeal and replace which act? Option A Indian Ports Act 1908. Option B Indian Ports Act 1928. Option C Indian Ports Act 1948. And option D Indian Ports Act 1968. The correct answer is Indian Ports Act 1908. Option A is the correct option. So, students, I have completed my short session. Namaskar.